guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Come Cook with Kay, and today you'll be learning how to cook, but with me. Click that subscribe button if you want to learn today. Hey guys, today we're going to be making fried chicken wings plus honey garlic chicken wings, okay? Here's all the seasonings, okay? And we having a side of potatoes and green beans, whatever. Here's your flour. I made a buttermilk egg wash. Heat up your oil, heat up that water for the potatoes. We're gonna get this chicken open, clean it, then we're gonna season it. Season your chicken, please, okay? You ain't gotta use the same exact seasons I use, but the seasons I use, made it, real good or whatever. And I'll put that in the description. We're gonna egg wash these babies, put it in the flour, and then we're gonna re-dip it in the egg wash, okay, to get that extra crisp, okay? And then, we repeat the process until we're ready to fry them. By then, they already looking golden. We got the potatoes, we're gonna cut them up real nice, okay? Put them in a bowl, put it in the water, and this is how it look when it's done. We're gonna oil up our pan and put some butter in there, and then put our potatoes that got finished boiling in the pan. Put a little bit more oil on top of all that and start seasoning your potatoes however you want. I use seasoning oil on my potatoes and other things, but I'm not gonna season it up that much because my chicken gonna be seasoned. So we're just gonna let that cook for a few minutes or whatever until everything is nice and brown and yummy. Okay, we got our green beans. This right here is the honey garlic glaze sauce. You put butter, minced garlic, and soy sauce and your honey in there, okay? This is the regular fried chicken, okay? And here they are together, looking all scrumptious, delicious, okay? This is really good, and it's my first time making it, and it came out really good. Yummy, bye.